They never taught you how money works. Not in school, not in college, not at home. And that's not an accident. Thoughtful. Because if you understood it, you'd stop being a slave to it. This isn't just about saving, budgeting, or investing. This is about control, and you're not the one in control. Stay till the end, and I'll show you the blueprint they never wanted you to see. Let's start with the truth. You weren't born poor. You were trained to stay poor, annoyed. From the moment you entered school, they fed you this lie. Go to school, get good grades, go to college, get a job, and somehow, magically, you'll be rich. But let me ask you something. Thoughtful. Who do you know that followed that exact path and actually got rich? Because real wealth doesn't come from working a job. Emphatic. It comes from understanding systems and how money moves. Here's what most people never realize. Money is never really kept. It flows. From the poor to the rich. From the spenders to the owners. From the uninformed to the educated. And the people at the top, they don't trade time for money. Emphatic. They trade money for more money. They use assets, not hours. Let me give it to you straight. Poor people buy liabilities. New phones, clothes, cars they can't afford. Middle class buys liabilities disguised as assets, mortgages, debt-based homes. The rich, they buy assets that pay them forever. Stocks, real estate, businesses, info products. Money isn't just paper, thoughtful. It's attention. In today's world, attention is the new oil. That's why influencers get rich. That's why platforms are free. Because you are the product. You spend your time giving others your attention. They spend that attention multiplying their income. While you scroll, they scale. But there's something deeper. Money rewards leverage. You have 24 hours a day. That's it. But if your content, skills, systems, or teams can work without you, you break the ceiling. Rich people aren't smarter than you. They just learn to multiply effort through automation, delegation, and digital tools. Let's talk about why saving money actually makes you poorer. Inflation isn't just a number, it's a tax, a silent thief. Every year, your money buys less, while the rich borrow money, invest it, and let inflation kill their debt. You're told to save, exasperated. The rich use debt to get richer. You're told to fear risk, emphatic. The rich use calculated risk to build empires. You were trained to be safe. They were trained to control the game. Banks, they lend out your savings and charge others 10x interest. Governments, they print money and devalue the one thing you trade your life for, your income. So what do? Here's how you escape. 1. Start seeing money as a tool, not a reward. It's not meant to sit. It's meant to flow, grow, and buy back your time. 2. Build digital skills. You need leverageable skills. Content, copywriting, design, automation, investing, AI. 3. Create income streams outside your time. Digital products, YouTube, affiliate marketing, skill-based freelancing, investing. 4. Track your money like a weapon. Every dollar should have a job, whether that's growth, peace, or positioning. 5. Detach your ego from money. Just because you earn more doesn't mean you win. You win when you own your time. You don't work for money, you work for freedom. But freedom doesn't come from working harder. It comes from learning the game, playing smarter, breaking the loop. The truth is, you were never broken. You were just never told the rules. Now you know. Start building.
Don't just watch, be a part of it.